Unlock amazing deals, the magic of December discounts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's very common in the world of shopping and sales: December discounts. Whether you're a shopping enthusiast or just love finding great deals, understanding this phrase will not only improve your English but also help you navigate the exciting world of holiday shopping. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind December discounts. December discounts refer to the special price reductions and promotional offers that stores and businesses provide during the month of December. This period is known for the holiday season, which includes Christmas and New Year's Eve, making it a time of high consumer activity. Retailers take advantage of this festive spirit by offering attractive discounts to encourage more purchases. These discounts can range from small percentage reductions to significant price drops on a wide variety of products. You might wonder, why December? December is a key month for retail due to several reasons. Holiday shopping. It's the prime time for buying gifts, decorations, and festive attire. End-of-year sales. Businesses aim to clear out old inventory before the new year begins. Boosting sales figures. Achieving higher sales figures before the year ends is crucial for many companies. Understanding the timing can help consumers make better purchasing decisions and plan their shopping to maximize savings. To truly benefit from December discounts, there are a few strategies you can employ. Plan your purchases. Identify what you need or want to buy in advance. This helps avoid impulse buys. Compare deals. Look at different retailers to find the best discounts. Use coupons and promo codes. These can often be combined with existing discounts for even greater savings. Stay informed. Sign up for newsletters and follow your favorite stores on social media to get timely information about upcoming sales. We hope this video sheds some light on the exciting world of December discounts and helps you navigate your holiday shopping more effectively. Remember, understanding these concepts not only helps you save money but also enhances your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Happy shopping! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning content. See you in the next video.